In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order effortlessly on your favorite shopping platform. Whether you've had a change of heart about an item or simply found a better deal elsewhere, learning how to cancel an order efficiently can save you time and potential hassle. So let's dive straight in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Your Orders section of the website or mobile app. This area is usually accessible from the main account menu once you're signed in. The Your Orders section is where all your purchase history and current transactions are listed. This is your go-to spot for managing everything related to your past and pending orders. Once you're in the Your Orders section, take a moment to locate the specific order you wish to cancel. The list can sometimes be lengthy, especially if you're a frequent shopper. If the item you're looking for isn't immediately visible, you have the option to select Show More Items. This will expand the list, giving you access to your entire order history, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. After pinpointing the correct order, select it to proceed. You'll be directed to a page featuring all the individual items within that order. Here, look for the Cancel Items button. Selecting this button will initiate the cancellation process. It's an important step as it directs the system to begin halting the processing or shipping of your chosen items. Now you'll find yourself on a page with a list of items eligible for cancellation, each accompanied by a checkbox. Carefully check the box next to the item or items you wish to cancel. This is crucial, as overlooking this might result in unintended cancellations of other items in the order. Take a moment to ensure you've selected only what you want to cancel. Before finalizing your cancellation, the system will prompt you to select a reason for cancellation. Common options include a change of mind, a better price elsewhere, or a product arrived too late. These options not only help in streamlining the process, but also provide valuable feedback to the seller. Choose the reason that best describes your situation, and proceed to select Request Cancellation. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully requested a cancellation. Remember that depending on the store's policies and how far along the order is in processing, cancellation might not always be possible. But in most instances, acting promptly will secure your request. I hope you found this guide helpful and can now navigate your orders with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns you may have.